Strong gusty winds, up to 40 to 50 kmph, are likely over the north-central province and in Nuwara Eliya, Matale, Hambantota, Vauniya and Trincomalee districts, the Meteorology Department said. Winds will be southwesterly in direction in the sea areas around the island and wind speed will be 30 to 40 kmph. Wind speed can increase up to 50 to 55 kmph at times in the sea areas extending from Puttalam to Trincomalee via Mannar and Kankasanturai and from Hambantota to Pottuvil. The sea areas extending from Puttalam to Mannar, Kankasanturai to Trincomalee and also in Hambantota to Pottuvil can be rough at times. Several spells of showers will occur in the western, Sabaragamuwa, central and northwestern provinces and in the Gale and Matara districts. Light showers may occur in the Anuradhapura and Hambantota districts. Several spells of showers will occur in the sea areas extending from Puttalam to Matare via Colombo and Gale. Rate my opinion.